Good afternoon, everybody. This is Robbie here at Kris Willis RV in Dexter, Missouri. Today we're going to talk about the new 26 RK Vibe. This is a 24-year model. It comes with the two 20-pound bottles that are full, the Group 24 battery. This particular unit has a huge front storage with all the water hookups inside. As we're walking around, it has the on-demand water heater, sewer hookups. Remember, guys, to like and follow us on Facebook and YouTube. 50 amp service. This particular unit has the on-the-go ladder receiver, the Furrion backup camera prep, spare tire. On the back here, it has the outdoor kitchen, which includes refrigerator, pull-out sink, and induction top. It has the huge awning, two outside speakers, LED light strip, comes with the spread axle design to help it pull better going down the road. We're going to walk inside. This particular unit has two recliners, all kinds of counter space, cabinets, drawers everywhere. It has got all kinds of storage. Coming on around, 3-burner top, oven. This particular unit has the refrigerator, which is a 10.2 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. But as you can see, it is actually on right now, and we're not plugged into electricity anywhere. This particular unit is equipped with the solar panels. It has the Camp Anywhere package. So the dinette folds down to make a huge bed. As we're coming on across, it has the trifold sofa, 30-inch fireplace, 50-inch flat screen TV. This unit has dual ACs. Huge walk-in shower. Closet. So like I said, I walked through these campers kind of quick, but if there is any questions on this unit or any of our units, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you very much and have a great day.